Hey, how's it going, everyone? Just wanted to say hi from a new studio slash lab. Just moved in fairly recently, been setting up the lab for a few weeks probably. There has been a lot of work with the house, much more than I initially hoped for, so that's why I was very quiet on YouTube and other places. Didn't make a lot of progress on the projects, but now I'm finally free to work on them and continue where I left off before the house move. So you'll be seeing me from this new location. I hope you find it interesting. I hope you'll find the new projects that I'm gonna be working on interesting. I'm working on my Peak speakers. I'm gonna be working on the DSP amplifier for the Peak speakers, so that they have that extra little bit of something that I think everybody's gonna appreciate. Um, yeah, stay tuned to the channel. Thank you very much for watching. If you think you might find interesting stuff on my channel and the projects that I work on are of interest, please do subscribe and share. It's definitely gonna help with the channel. And see you next time. Bye bye.